Say hi, Beth.
Hi, Beth.
Wanna open it?
Thank you.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
This is take 2, by the way, because the first time
You lost it.
I lost it. So
Oh, look! It's my Cookie Monster.
as
You
you can
gonna take 'em
tell,
out of the
it's
box?
still the same
No,
reaction.
you do it.
Come on. You gonna push his belly?
No, Papi won't push it.
No, you gotta put. Elsie has to do it.
No, I want you to do it.
Okay.
Tickle.
What happened like that? Do
Push
it
his
again.
belly again.
Push his belly.
Oh, down his
Belly. His belly.
That's not his belly.
Push his belly button.
Right here. Push his belly.
Look, he's fine. Hi, Cookie Monster.
You like your Cookie Monster?
It's a Papa box.
Put it back in the box. You gonna say thank you to Beth?
Thank you, Beth.
And thank you, Kristen.
Thank you, Kristen.